How to fix sleep mode not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage usage. After click on storage usage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.